So Saptami, tell me something like post Kantara, there is a lots of appraisal you got,
Yes.
lots of recognition you got from the
Yes.
national wide
Yes.
range of audience.
Yeah.
But post that, were you really able to uh, get that kind of attention which was needed?
Probably because nobody is from in my family, nobody has been in the industry before, so we do not know, like for example, if somebody gets a hit, what happens is they know how to monetize that probably, or build on that, right? So they get hold of a team and they have all of that. For us it was very new at that point of time, to know, to get. So even with Kantara, we did not know Kantara would become a global sensation like it did.
But after 100 days or
Yeah,
150
so
days,
even then we were very unaware, like in my house also we were, even suddenly like my house became like this museum kind of a place every like Sundays. Even if you put my house address now, there's a picture of me on Google in my house address. So everybody
okay.
is coming, there, and they just want to say hi and go. For us all that was very new. During my birthday they came, they told my father, we'll put up banners of her, we want to come celebrate. My dad's telling me, I said, no, 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 I don't want to be like, it's very new. We are not aware of all of that. So that love or that recognition, we did not know how to channelize that through. But I think as like I got, like more and more involved in the industry, try to learn, because I think through learning and unlearning, through experience, you get to learn, you meet people, you learn more. So I think now I know, where to channel my energy, whom to contact, and whom I need to be in touch with. And so after, I think probably after Kantara and after Tamudu, I think this year has been my most busiest year. I'm shooting too. I'm listening to a lot of scripts. I'm agreeing. So I'm continuously shooting. So I think, yeah, at that point, very unaware. Now, pretty
Okay.
much we know where to do, what to get.